Hey guys, it is time for the DNM Toy Club! Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to the DNM Toy Club. Today, we're going to check out all of these really cool toys. We're going to check and see what they are called and how we spell the words. But guys, you got to remember, if you're not subscribed, you've got to hit that little button down there that says subscribe so you can catch all of our brand new videos that we have every single day. We've got all kinds of new videos.
And on top of YouTube Kids, there might be a subscriber, so subscribe on that too.
All right, Marco, where you go, buddy? You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Axe. Axe. Caliper. Caliper. Electric drill. Wrench. Handsaw. Cordless drill. Hammer. Wood saw. Goggles. Jackhammer. Clamp. Adjustable wrench. Flashlight. Screws. Jigsaw. Electric drill. Adjustable wrench. Socket wrench. Flashlight. Hammer. Adjustable pliers. Needle nose pliers. Straight edge. Spade. C-clamp. T-wrench. Flathead screwdriver. Metal saw. Pliers.